And sometimes it just feels like your stomach keeps embarrassing you. Because why will you be in the middle of a very serious discussion and your stomach just makes this funny sound? Like, it could be very irritating. Have you ever been in a quiet room and all of a sudden your stomach just makes this irritating sound? Like, it could be very loud, sometimes embarrassing, and very, very unpredictable. This sound is known as a growl, and your stomach is said to be growling. But have you ever wondered what exactly is happening in my body that's making my stomach make this kind of sound? So guys, let's dive into why your stomach growls and find out why your body makes these curious sounds. Stomach growling is a term that is used for the noise your stomach makes when food, fluid, or gases move through your stomach and your intestine. So it is known as borborygmi. So you don't have to worry about that. It's just scientific jargon. But most importantly, stomach growling is the sound made by your stomach when food, fluid, gases move through your stomach and your intestine, which is during the process of digestion. When you eat, your stomach and other digestive organs begins the process of digestion. So even when you are not eating, your stomach and intestine are still actively breaking down the food you already ate. They are constantly moving, contracting, and pushing their content through your digestive system, and this is known as peristalsis. So when this happens, different sounds are produced, which you sometimes hear, and it is known as stomach growl. So in simple terms, stomach growl is just your digestive system doing its job. Most times, these sounds are noticeable when your stomach is empty or it has little or no food to digest. And that's when you hear people say, oh, when my stomach makes such sound, it means I'm hungry. Your brain plays a big role in the growling process. When you are hungry or anticipating food, your brain signals your digestive system to start working. This includes signaling your stomach and intestine to get ready for the next meal by removing any remaining food or fluid, thereby emptying the stomach. So as your body prepares for food, it could trigger a hunger growl. But it is not just hunger that causes growling. Your stomach could also make noises even after eating, especially when your food is being processed quickly. So even when you've eaten, these rhythmic contractions continue, and if there is gas or hair present, it can amplify the noise. So that loud growl you hear could mean your body is gearing up for more food, or your stomach just doing its regular job. Now, it's not always about hunger. Stomach growls can be triggered by stress, digestion, or even your eating pattern. Sometimes when you are anxious or stressed out, your digestive system becomes more active, causing those loud growls. And in some cases, digestion of some certain food can cause more noticeable rumbling. Food like beans, broccoli, or carbonated drinks that are harder to digest can produce gases in your stomach, leading to louder growls. If you are not taking enough fluid, your stomach might gargle as it tries to process whatsoever is in it, which could mostly be hair or liquid. Now the big question, should you be worried when your stomach is growling? Absolutely not. As long as it is the occasional rumbling when you are hungry or processing food, it is absolutely normal. But if you also experience other symptoms like bloating, pain, nausea, or diarrhea alongside growling, it could be a sign of an underlying digestive issue like an irritable bowel syndrome, food intolerance, or even a stomach infection. If you notice any of these symptoms regularly, you need to consult a healthcare professional that can help identify if there is an issue that needs attention. So always remember to keep your eating schedule regular and stay hydrated. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you learned something new today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun facts about the human body. Got any funny stomach growling stories? Leave them in the comment section because I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to take care of your body because it will take care of you. See you in my next video. You will.